all set to take on against each other. Big, of course, luck does not matter. Where all that matters.
दर्शकों को भी गुड मॉर्निंग एसआरएम यूनिवर्सिटी की टीम
I really feel okay. Dinesh Selvam is starting in. Wanted Monawa to go in because he's a much better raider. But nevertheless, SRM University, their raiders can't take it lightly. Their raiders should understand two things: don't play the second half very slow, and make sure you can actually nullify that minus 38. Now that's a good start. Vikram Siva from that left corner. He saw Dinesh having the same kind of footwork a couple of times. So that's a good one. He just made sure he stayed on. So it's 3 actually for SRM University as Sanjay Rajendran comes in.
यह अच्छी बात है कि स्कोर नहीं भी चल रहा है तो नवीन हमारे लिए कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं और ये शायद चौथा पॉइंट होना चाहिए नवीन अगर मैं सही हूं तो
आप हमेशा गिनतियों में और संख्याओं में हमेशा सही है. I will not compete with you on that at all. Yeah, the fourth one, I think they probably want to review first up Kia Sports, saying no touch or maybe Raider out into the lobby first.
Raider out. Okay.
Yeah.
TV umpire, KR Sports challenge, Raider out of bounds. Our decision, Raider save 1 point. Please review.
Okay.
Review unsuccessful. Raider
Yeah.
save 1 point. SRM University. KR Sports. No
The
more
idea
reviews,
was
your
right
is
from
over.
KR Sports to, ask. The Raider had gone into the lobby before a touch, but no. Here, the right corner comes in, Manimandan Mathisan, and the contact was first, and then you're just falling off.
और एक और पत्ता यहाँ पे केआर स्पोर्ट्स के लिए गिरता हुआ
Number 9 out.
Monowa Nicholson, he comes in. Where was he when the team needed him to start the raiding duties? Why wasn't he not there to start the first or the second raid? And now, even without a bonus, the all-out has been inflicted.
1 plus 2,
So
3 points.
it's
SRM
10
University.
for
All out
SRM
KR
University
Sports.
first up, and KR Sports haven't even opened their account. From the bench, leading raid point scorer in the Velamaliwa Kabaddi series as of now. First raider to touch 100 raid points, and that's it. He also has been taken care
1
of.
point.
Chain tackle.
SRM University.
And look at the chain, Navneet. How far forward they were, right in front of the cover. With the chain also, they've done what brilliantly well today. SRM University is every tackle has been chain tackling. Everything, whatever they have done is good. And here, first tackle point comes in. Ooty's Goody super tackle. And PK
tackle.
Sports are off a
2
mark
points.
with a couple
KR
of them.
Sports.
Huge thanks to Kabilan Kandasamy from that right corner. I think Dharnidharan just stretched too much of his confidence, which would have actually cost the overconfidence mark, Navneet, isn't it? It's totally too very confident of getting in too deep match, but none of it is on the winning cause. Pursuit, that's it. Needivel Tangavelu. He knows it. And he's a master in doing such things, and Ganganath needs to go out. Second raid only. And I think even Ganganath has kept his
1
swords,
point.
guns and arrows
SRM University.
in
Number
the hotel
19
room.
out.
He's not brought anything here to the ground. He knew about that one. Reverse and first game.
पता तो नहीं था लेकिन जब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अगर मैं पैदल सीधे चलता हूँ तो कम एनर्जी लगेगा लेकिन अगर उल्टा चलूंगा ना
Safe.
तो एनर्जी भी ज्यादा
1
लगेगा
point.
दिमाग भी ज्यादा
SRM
लगेगा
University,
बहुत कुछ
number
ज्यादा
16
लगेगा
out.
तो शायद कार में भी ऐसा ही होता होगा
And your senses just become more sharper if you walk backwards. Another all out. That's
10
it.
out.
Has he got a
1
bonus?
plus 2, 3 points. SRM
No, he's
University.
not.
All out KR Sports.
Karthi Raji just goes in there, and as Navneet says,
बात याद रखनी पड़ेगी जैसा कि नवीन कह रहे थे कि जितना ज्यादा पॉइंट्स हो उतना कमाइए क्योंकि जो आपका माइनस है ना वो जो आपका डेप्ट है ना वो जो आपका लोन है ना वो बहुत ज्यादा चढ़ गया है तो जितनी कमाई कर लीजिए उतनी अच्छी
1
है
point.
उतना अच्छा
KR
है
Sports. Number 5.
Kabilan not around. Yeah, these are all these small errors have gone really bad for KR Sports. And now
NSA,
Ganganath,
2
after that
points.
booster
KR
point that he's
Sports.
got,
Number 2 and 9
which is
out.
actually the bonus. That's what the coach exactly said. Just take 1 point, you will be boosted up in this booster round, and that's what he's done. Nidivel Tangavelu, hand touch, and then the left cover. Suryan Ponmohanohar. Not touch him at all. Wonderful.
8 और 25 जोन्स कैलब कितने खिलाड़ियों का सफाया किया यहाँ
2 points.
2 पॉइंट
SRM University. Number 14 and 16 out.
जॉन कैलब बोलेंगे या सालब बोलेंगे
Better to call him John Stangaraj because it's a name and it's a proper noun. So
ये डिफरेंस धीरे धीरे और बढ़ता हुआ
oh, nice idea from Ganganath.
Let it
We've
out.
seen the chain work
1 point.
wonders
SRM
in the
University.
last 20 minutes. Idea was nice to jump again. And this is what I was trying to talk about. Now, if you see where is SRM University, they are just above Jayachitra Club. They are in the 11th space
Half-time in the court.
of this points table. So, in the 10th warm up, I think another raider, Vijay. But yeah, whatever that is, John Stangaraj. Yeah, it's made SRM University the review. So no teams have reviews now. Dinesh. Oh, right. I think
1
Nidivel
point.
Tangavelu has been
KR
touched.
Sports. Number 2 out.
Okay, but what I believe in is it's not about judging. I try and say what can be done right and leave the option to the others, whoever's been told. And I do the same thing if someone tells me as well. You know, someone gives a suggestion, someone says something, it's a do what I read. And in life, that is how it should be. Oh, he's going to go down here. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, and that is where it does not get a touch. The
1
dash
point
comes
each.
out. Has
Let it out. One
yeah,
defender also out of one.
yeah. This defender bouncing off. I was actually thinking about this rule in the morning while I was. What has happened is I think that rule has got a little stricter. Defenders are not allowed to bounce, and the moment they lose contact with the lobby, they are said you're out. And today while running, I realized one thing: without bouncing or without your body just being a little while in the air, you
1
can't
point.
have a good motion. You
SRM
can't have a good
University.
momentum. Another tackle point. So, is it fair for us to? His intention is just to dash, and we've seen so many points come away when the
Let it
defender is
out.
bouncing off.
1 plus 2, 3
Another
points.
all out here.
SRM
Aditya Namasi
University.
doesn't get even a bonus
All
as
out.
always.
KR Sports.
What do you think, Navneet? Because if you remember that of them, but my bigger picture thought is you're reducing the competitiveness in the match. Now see, you're dashed a raider, and
Let us
what if
say
the defender was
2 points.
bouncing?
KR
See,
Sports.
exactly this situation. Now he wasn't bouncing, which is okay because the raider crossed the midline.
Number 2 and 9 out.
And once again, he's got Nidivel Tangavelu and Surya Pon Manohar in a similar fashion. Ganganath. See, he escapes the ankle, and there, he's bouncing. See, he's bouncing there. So it's with the momentum of the ball. This super tackle. Can they just go back? Oh, Nidivel Tangavelu, another pursuit, another point. Second time he's done this in this match. Wow.
1 point.
So
SRM
good.
University.
Navneet, I
Number
keep
50.
saying that he comes from a family of raiders. 2 elder brothers of his are raiders. The third one is Saktivel Tangavelu, left corner, and he's a right corner. What a family, isn't it? You do have a complete team of kabaddi players. So don't worry.
जी आप जब कबड्डी खेल रहे हैं तो अलग अलग पोजीशन पे सारे भाई को रहना पड़ेगा घर में
Balaji today, who's coaching SRM University, he said, what is the difference? 23 points. So make sure you get another 10 points extra so the minus 38 gets nullified. Navneet, I again tell you, I was not in the team meeting of SRM University yesterday, and I am not sitting with them now. Goodies, super tackle. I think he's cleaned up completely.
3 plus 2.
Yes,
5
he
points.
has.
SRM
It's a
University.
super raid,
All
and it's
out.
an all out.
KR Sports.
John Stangaraj has once again did it. And Balaji exactly said, Johnson, he added it. That means,
Balaji.
Johns, you go out there and play your game. What a talent, John Stangaraj. Nice escape as well. He got a big gap as a big opening, and he just rushed his bike through.
ये नवीन आप अक्सर कहते
I really want to be kind of a horse
हैं
because it's so powerful. Yeah, so powerful, very
सफेद
thinking.
और
Yeah.
व्हाइट हॉर्स?
No, I am not.
तो मुझे
No,
लगता है
no.
आप व्हाइट हॉर्स सुनेंगे, क्यों बताता हूँ। वो
हाँ.
एक कहावत है ना
Oh,
हिंदी
oh,
मूवीज
oh, what is
में,
this?
क्या यहाँ पकड़ा गए हैं।
Oh yeah,
Red
the
and
chain
out.
tackle was okay, but then
1
Jayaprakash
point.
wanted to go somewhere
SRM
else.
University.
हॉर्स
I think
पावर।
thinking a gap, but yeah, he's there. Yeah, just the previous race, before the evolution of humans, and it's not right when we say we have been evolved from chimpanzees. There's so much to do, and that's another all out. Beautiful
Let us
work
say
once again here.
2 plus 2,
Ashwin
4
Sundarabandyan
points. SRM
gets the
University.
couple of Homo sapiens. That's the scientific name of human. Any human being is called Homo sapiens. Yeah, just before them is that race that you just spoke about.
Neanderthals।
Neanderthal, yeah. And mostly found in the
Let us say
tropical
1
zone
point.
of the
KR
earth,
Sports.
which actually
Number 11
lies
out.
in Central Africa.
और जो खेल की सोच एसआरएम यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में नवीन कह रहे थे,
मैच
वही
ओवर।
सत्य हुआ है। और -38 को सफाया करके यहाँ पे 39 पॉइंट्स की लीड लेकर के +1 में चले गए हैं, +1। और हम किसी
Amazing.
भी मोबाइल फोन का
Critical work, I should say. Yeah, there 28 rate points.